How to create an account on Bitget. Now, first of all, open the Bitget app. And now, as you can see, if you want, as you can see, enable, as you will just tap on cancel. Now, what you need to do, as you can see, tap on the top left corner on this icon. Now, as you can see, click on or tap on get started. Now, what you need to do, just type your email, as you can see here. Now, I will just fill the email and the password. I will get back to you guys. Now, after you fill the email and the password, now check this. I have read and agreed to the Bitget user agreement and privacy policy. Now tap on create an account. Now you need to verify this CAPTCHA. And now, as you can see, you are almost there. Now go back to your email inbox to copy the code that they sent you there. So a few seconds. Now, as you can see, the code is here. Just copy it from here. Now go back to the app. I will just go back to the app. Now paste it here. Now wait a few seconds, and now your account is set up, and now you create an account on Bitget successfully. So this is how to create an account on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.